This is a tutorial for 8.5.8 on page 130 of Compute IT 2. Now for this task you need to write a program which asks your friend's name, then asks you to select from a few different items to choose which one of them is most interesting to your friend, and then finally it provides a suggestion for a present for that friend. So we'll start with a name variable, of course, because we're going to ask for the name. What is your friend's name? Okay, and then of course when the user enters their name, we will store that. Then we're going to print a message to them. Which one of the following interests your friend? And then it's nice if we can print the friend's name here, so we'll use the name variable here. Then we'll have a question mark. Okay, and then we're going to print another message. Choose one from the list. And then we're going to print a few different topics. So for example, one could be sport. And I'm just going to copy and paste the remaining topics just to keep this tutorial efficient. Okay, so we've got a whole bunch of different options there. And then we are going to make a variable called answer, which uses an integer. So we're expecting the user to enter a number, either 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, of course, in response to this question or request. Okay, and then we are going to create a list down here, which is going to have items. Each item will correspond to one of the topics above. So it could be a ticket to see Aston Villa if they like sport. And once again, I will paste the remaining topics into our list here. So of course this item corresponds to this one, the Kindle corresponds to reading, and so forth. And then finally we will have a statement saying the friend's name and then what they would like. And we're going to put -1 here because of course Python begins counting at 0. So for us to print item 1, we'll need to change the code to make it -1. Okay, let's test the code now. And you can see it's printed out a new jacket corresponding to fashion.